A winter weather message for the following counties in North Carolina: Mecklenburg, Lincoln, Gaston, Cleveland, Union, Cabarrus, Iredell, Catawba, Alexander, Rowan, Davie, Caldwell, Burke, McDowell, Rutherford, Polk, Yancey, Mitchell and Avery. A blizzard warning is in effect from 10:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 10:30 p.m. tonight to 5:30 a.m. Sunday morning. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Hazards: heavy snow and blizzard conditions. Snow accumulations, 14 to 24 inches, highest amounts south and north of the Charlotte metropolitan area. Snowfall rates, 4 to 6 inches per hour late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Timing, late tonight into early Sunday morning. Impacts: dangerous travel conditions due to whiteout conditions at times. Several roads and highways may become impassable. Power outages possible. Damaging wind gusts are possible across the Piedmont. Winds, southeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 to 55 miles per hour. Highest winds across the Piedmont. Temperatures, in the upper 20s. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel almost impossible. Please take action now to prepare for severe winter weather conditions.